Across African banking, the challenge is no longer data scarcity. It is turning vast, fast-moving information into decisions leaders can trust in real time. Most institutions still operate across core banking platforms, treasury systems, channels, and spreadsheets that were never designed to speak with one voice. That slows visibility when liquidity, risk, and customer behavior are changing by the minute. Sybil closes that gap. With Qlik at the core, it connects legacy infrastructure to modern analytics, so your teams can move from fragmented reporting to real-time intelligence with confidence. When treasury and risk teams are working from delayed reports, they are reacting to yesterday. Sybil with Qlik gives them a live operating picture they can act on now. Decision makers can monitor real-time liquidity ratios across entities, currencies, and funding positions in one governed view. That means less reconciliation, fewer blind spots, and faster escalation when thresholds move. Regional exposure becomes visible at the level that matters. Branch, market, product, or corridor. Leaders can see concentration risk building before it becomes a balance sheet problem. Settlement monitoring is just as critical. Instead of discovering breaks late, operations teams can spot bottlenecks and failed flows as they emerge and intervene before service is disrupted. And when conditions shift, stress testing is already part of the picture. Sybil and Qlik support a single source of truth for scenario analysis, so executives can test resilience and respond with speed. Fraud and financial crime do not wait for batch reports. They move through channels, accounts, devices, and geographies in patterns that are easy to miss when data stays siloed. Sybil helps banks surface anomalies early by bringing together transaction behavior, channel activity, and operational signals into a unified analytical layer powered by Qlik. That makes pattern recognition far more effective. Teams can connect signals across products and touchpoints to identify suspicious activity faster and focus investigators where the risk is real. Just as important, the solution fits into the infrastructure banks already run. Existing systems stay in place while intelligence, alerting, and visibility become dramatically stronger.
The result is stronger AML support, faster fraud response, and better protection for customer trust. You reduce exposure without adding friction to every legitimate interaction.
For African banks, compliance is not a layer added at the end. It shapes every architectural decision from the start, especially where privacy, sovereignty, and cross-border data handling are concerned. Sybil is built for that reality. Deployments can align with DPA obligations and local data residency requirements while giving stakeholders clear visibility into how data is governed and used. Governance and audit readiness become easier when lineage, access controls, and reporting are structured for oversight. Compliance leaders gain evidence they can stand behind, not just assurances.
Whether your environment is hybrid cloud, on-premise, or a carefully staged mix of both, Sybil supports secure data pipelines that respect the operational realities of the bank.
That is what compliance-first analytics should look like. Stronger control, stronger trust, and modernization without compromising regulatory discipline. The same intelligence foundation that strengthens risk and compliance can also accelerate growth. When banks unify ERP, CRM, and mobile banking data, customer decisions become far more precise. Sybil helps teams move beyond broad segmentation to predictive analytics that reveal who is likely to need credit, who may be at risk of churn, and where wallet share can expand.
That powers next best offer decisions across digital and branch channels, so engagement feels timely and relevant rather than generic. Better experiences drive stronger conversion and deeper loyalty.
In a competitive market, hyper-personalization is not a marketing extra. It is a growth engine that helps banks serve customers better while improving lifetime value. Technology matters, but transformation succeeds when the right partner stands behind it. Sybil brings banking expertise, capacity building, and localized support designed for African institutions. That means solutions that scale with your architecture, your regulatory environment, and your operating model. From early deployment to long-term optimization, the relationship is built for endurance. With Sybil and Qlik, banks gain real-time visibility, stronger compliance, sharper fraud defenses, and a platform for sustainable customer growth. If you are ready to modernize intelligence across your bank with confidence, now is the time to speak with Sybil. Scan this QR code or visit www.sybil.com.